3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Crazy Love. Great song from the 70s by Morrison. Alright, so let's start with putting a capo on fret 2, please. Alright, so we got G major, shape, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. We got B minor. Got a bar, 2nd fret, A string, 4, 4, 3. C major, 1, 2, 3. And they have this little walk down that they do, which is, so while you're holding the C, just play, move it down half a step, so that's A 2nd fret and B string 1st fret. To A minor to G. You can focus more on the notes, like the bass notes. Okay, so here's the switching. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, B minor, C, B, A, G. G major, B minor, C, B, A, G. G major, B minor, C, B, A, G. And then chorus. G major, F sharp over G, E minor, D. So. So G major, F sharp. That's 2nd finger, low E string. And keep your pinky here on the 3rd fret, B string. E minor. 1, 2, D major. And then C, D. Love, 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 love. G, F sharp, E minor, D, and then ba, 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 ba. Let's do that again. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. C, ba, ba, ba. Back to verse. Okay, chorus. G, F sharp, E minor, D, C, D. G, F sharp, E minor, D, C, ba, ba, ba. Okay, so that's the main parts, the verse and the chorus, and we have a bridge. D, C, G, C, I think it's 2 or 3 times. And E minor, A7, D. Okay, so A7 is 2, 2, and then back to verse. Do down strokes, down and down with the picking, and then down, strokes, strength, down strokes, strokes there for the chorus. So same thing kind of. Cool. So let's review before we end the lesson. G major, verse, B minor, C, and the walk down. Chorus, G, F sharp over G, E minor, D, C, back to D first time. Second time, G major, F sharp, E minor, D, then C, walk down to G. And then of course the bridge, D, C, G, D, C, G, E minor, A7, D. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more songs like always. Be safe. Thank you.